in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, northern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:28 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marengo to Batavia to Lakewood shores, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Pockets of enhanced wind damage are possible along this line. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, and Mount Prospect. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 315 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 124 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.